friends, I'm Lucy. Have you ever had a day where your feelings felt a bit wiggly inside? My thoughts were jumping all over the place this morning. So I came here to Adelaide Botanic Garden to let nature help me feel calm again. Let's see what being outside can do for our bodies and our brains. This place is called a botanic garden. It's like a living museum with plants all around us. There are plants here from all over the world. Tiny ones, huge ones, colourful ones, and some that are rare and need extra looking after. So when we visit the Botanic Garden, we move in special ways to help take care of them. I walk safely, stick to the path. I use my quiet voice, and I keep my eyes and ears open for spotting little bits of magic. Can you hear that? It's like the garden is singing a soft song. Let's listen together. What can you hear this way? What can you hear this way? When I listen carefully, my busy thoughts start to slow down. I feel my body getting softer, and I don't need to shout. I can use my gentle garden voice. Look at these roots. They're like giant arms giving the earth a hug. Sometimes when I slow down, I start to spot things I never saw before. Can you see all these lines and patterns? What do they remind you of? A maze, a river, a treasure map? Asking our little wonder questions helps me feel curious, not wriggly. I wonder who lives here. I wonder how long this tree's been growing for. Being curious helps my brain feel ready to learn new things. Some plants help feed people and animals, so we need to take extra good care of them. In a botanic garden, we don't pick leaves or flowers. We let them stay right where they are so they can keep on growing. Just one soft touch, like a little hello. We don't chase birds or animals either. We walk slowly so everyone who lives here can feel safe. Look at these water lilies. They're like floating plates, but we just look with our eyes and let them float in peace. Some plants are used to hot, dry deserts. They grow in all sorts of funny shapes to hold water. Spiky, round, tall, tiny. Nature loves being creative. Can you imagine how this smells? Like minty, fresh air. When we walk together with safe feet and quiet voices, the garden feels like a big, gentle classroom where the plants are the teachers. You know what? I feel different now. When I first came in, everything felt jumbled up inside. Now my body feels calmer, my brain feels clearer, and my heart feels kind of happy. Spending time outside is really good for us. Nature helps us slow down, breathe, and get ready to learn new things. You can listen for birds at school, look closely at a leaf in your backyard, notice a tiny flower growing on the footpath. Nature is all around us, at home, at kindy, at school, in your neighbourhood. The more you look, listen, and notice, the more you see. When we feel connected to nature, we want to take care of it. So when you visit Adelaide Botanic Garden, you can help by walking safely on the path, using your gentle garden voice, touching plants softly or just with your eyes, and leaving everything where it is so it can keep on growing for everybody to enjoy. This garden has made me feel calm, happy and curious again. And we can't wait for you to explore it next and come back with friends or family to show them what you discovered.